So here in machine learning, we selected two features, which is the size and the bedroom. So basically we selected the two columns. So in our original dataset, we had size, bedroom, and price. But what we did was later on, we just selected that we wanted to just do calculation on the size and bedroom. The reason to exclude price is because price is what we are trying to predict. It is not a feature. So when we selected this, as you can see, we use the square brackets over here because we wanted to pass two values, which is a list of items. So we wanted the size and the bedroom. So these two columns are separated by a comma and they have to be in these square brackets. This is because, as you know, list items are always in square brackets and are separated by commas. So it's the same concept applied here. And this gives us a data frame. So you cannot, for example, remove this over here or do it in this fashion. You cannot remove the square brackets. That's not allowed. And your code won't work if you do that. So if I were to run this, you can see we got the error and it will not work because it's saying that it cannot find a key, which is size and bedroom, because it needs to be in a list. So we just want a list, like a shopping list. We want to select two columns. So just as with a shopping list, you need to put it in a list. You cannot do without a list. So the next one is when you select a single column, you actually just put in the column name. If it's a single item, then you do not need to put it in a list. So here you can see we just want Y variable here to be the price. So you only put in the one item and you don't need to put it in the list. So you don't need to actually do this. Although if you do this, then it will still work and you won't get any errors. So if you were to put square brackets in, there is no harm, but generally you may see code like this without the inner square brackets. So the outer square brackets always be there, whether you're doing one item or two items. So here we did two items, but here we're doing one item. The outer square brackets always remain. It's the inner ones that you can remove because there's no point having a list of items if it's only one item. So that's how you do column selection in machine learning, where you just need to select two features and then you just separate out your data frame, essentially the table of the data. So where you have a situation where you go data in three columns and you only want to select two of them, then this is the method to do it by using your existing data frame, square brackets, and supplying a list of items that you want, or it can be a single item like this.